Next section, Gestalt laws of perceptual organization. Gestalt psychology was founded by German thinkers Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang, and Kurt Koffka, and focused on how people interpret the world. Laws of perceptual organization. First law, law of pregnance. Second, law of proximity. 3, law of similarity. 4, law of closure. 5, law of continuity. Detail going on. Look at these pictures. Proximity, similarity, continuity, etc. Detail going on. Law of pregnance. According to Gestalt, perceptual organization is given by the law of pregnance, which means reality is organized or reduced to the simplest form possible. Look at this. It's a complex white and black patterns. When we see the black only lines and white, our mind simplify it as this become a face. Law of pregnance. Some more example. We see the image above us, a series of circles rather than a many much more complicated shapes. Look at this. Different types of shapes are here, but we couldn't see. But we have perceived circles. So this is a law of pregnance. Look at this second law, law of proximity. Look at this picture. According to this law, perceptual groups are favored according to the nearness of the parts. Objects near each other tend to be grouped together. Example. The circles on the left appear to be grouped in vertical column. Look at this. While those on the right appear to be grouped in horizontal rows. Look at this. Three, law of similarity. Look at this picture. Similarity. Wertheimer stated that law as other things being equal, the stimuli that are similar, while have greater tendency to be grouped as a single unit. Example. Items that are similar tend to be grouped together. In the image above, most people see vertical columns of circles and squares Can you see? Yes. Four, law of closure. Look at this picture. The law indicates that closed or completed figures are more stable than incomplete or unclosed figures, and hence our mind fills up the gaps, if any, and perceive the object as whole and complete. Example: objects grouped together are seen as whole. Men tend to ignore gaps. Look at this, gaps and complete counter lines in the image above. There are no triangle or circle, but our minds fill in the missing information to create familiar shapes and images. Is able to see? Yes. Five, law of continuity. Look at this picture. It indicates that organization in the perception appears to be going infinity in the same direction. That is why the following series of dots appear to be a straight line. Example: lines are seen as following the smoothest path. In the image above, the top branch is seen as continuing the first segment of the line. This allows us to see things as following smoothly without breaking lines up into multiple parts. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.